Ozone, the leading provider of architectural hardware and security solutions. Presenting Jade Black Safe. Jade Black Safe is a hotel in-room and personal digital safe operated with user code and RFID card. It is an ideal safe for safekeeping all of your valuables during your stay in a hotel like passports, laptops, smart card, tickets, watches, digital gadgets, small jewelry and cash. Unboxing the Jade Black Safe. Once you receive the safe, unbox it carefully by removing the packing carton box. Take out the safe and remove the plastic cover. Ozone Jade Black Safe will be received with door in unlocked position and door secured with L corner stoppers. Pull out the safe door to open and remove the L corner stoppers. Inside the safe, you will find user manual, warranty card, set of mechanical override keys, fixing fasteners and 4 alkaline batteries. Keep them all aside safely for later use. Ozone Jade Black Safe comes with advanced, user-friendly operating and robust security features. It is operated with user code and RFID card. Fixing the Ozone Jade Black Safe. Before start using the safe, first fix and secure the safe inside the cupboard, almirah or against the brick wall by using the fasteners provided with the packing. If fixing against the wall, use expansion bolts. On wooden material, use clamping screws. Place the safe in the space where you want to fix it. Make sure that there is no moisture in the area or on the wall. Check the alignment of the safe placement and mark the hole positions with pencil. Now keep the safe aside and drill the holes on pencil markings for precise position. Place the safe back against the drill holes and insert the fasteners in their position and tighten them properly. Now your safe is ready for use. Do not keep the mechanical override key inside the safe. Read user manual carefully and follow instructions provided for easy operation. Inserting batteries. Once safe is fixed in its position, open the safe door and remove the cover of the battery compartment located on the inner surface of the door panel. Unscrew the screw and remove the battery compartment cover. Then insert the batteries provided with the safe and put the cover back on the compartment and fix the screw to close. Then proceed to set your user code. Setting the user code in Jade Black Safe. To set the user code, keep the safe door in closed position and enter 4 to 6 digits user code of your choice. Then press lock button. LED will display close and your safe will get locked. Your new user code is set successfully. Take a note of this code. You will require it to unlock the safe next time. Jade Black Digital Safe comes with an auto reset feature. This means the user code entered while locking the safe overrides the previous code and will be the user code for the next time to open the safe. Follow same steps to change the user code. Operating the Jade Black Safe with user code. To open Jade Black Safe, simply enter your 4 to 6 digits user code. It should be the same user code as used while locking the safe. LED screen will display open and safe door will open automatically. To lock the Jade Black Safe, bring and hold the safe door in closed position. Enter 4 to 6 digits user code and press lock button. LED will display closed and the user code entered. Your safe will lock automatically. Note the user code displayed back on LED screen. Same user code will be required to open the safe the next time. Operating the Jade Black Safe with RFID card. First, register the RFID card. To register RFID card, bring and hold the door in closed position. Then show the RFID card at the sensor point given on operating panel. LED will display close. That means your RFID card is registered and safe will get locked automatically. Follow this process to lock the safe in future. To open the safe with registered RFID card, Simply show the RFID card at the sensor point. LED screen will display open and safe door will open automatically. Resetting the master code in Jade Black Safe. Jade Black Safe comes with a factory set master code. It should be changed before start using the safe for security reasons. To reset master code, keep the safe door in closed but unlocked position. Press clear button twice. The LED screen will display PROG. Enter your old or factory set master code. LED screen will display new. Now enter 6 digits new master code of your choice and press lock button. LED screen will display again. Re-enter the new master code and press lock button again. LED will display done. Your new master code is set successfully. Opening with master codes. If you have forgotten the user code, use master code to open the safe. To open the safe with master code, enter your 6 digits master code. LED screen displays open. With this, safe door will unlock and open automatically. Auto Secure feature. On wrong user code input, LED will display error. If user, any unauthorized person, tries to open the safe with wrong user code, then on entering the wrong user code 4 times consecutively, the safe will go in secure mode for 15 minutes. LED will display hold 15. No input will be allowed during this period. This security feature protects the safe from any unauthorized access. If you find your safe in secure mode, that is hold 15 displayed on your LED screen, wait for operating system to resume and open the safe using the correct user or master code, else open the safe with mechanical override key. Reset the user and master code after opening safe with mechanical override keys. Opening with mechanical override key. Use the mechanical override key to open the safe if user and master code forgotten. To use mechanical override key, remove the cover from the keyhole with a gentle pull force from bottom. Insert the mechanical override key in the keyhole and rotate it clockwise to a positive stop. The LED screen displays manual. The safe door now unlocked. Open the safe door with help of mechanical key. Override key will auto-rotate anti-clockwise when hands released from it. The shooting bolts will draw out. Now remove the keys and press lock button. The shooting bolts will retract. Mechanical override keys are high security computerized keys which cannot be duplicated. If mechanical override keys are also misplaced, please contact Ozone customer care for assistance. Checking battery status. For checking the battery status, press lock and the LED screen will display the battery status. If the display shows low battery, change the batteries immediately. Jade Black Safe is ideal to fix and secure inside any furniture or space. Ozone Jade Black Safes are perfect security companions and ensure effective safety for all your important documents, wallets, passports, laptops, legal agreements, insurance papers, digital gadgets, computer data, small jewelry, and cash. Ozone Jade Black Safes are perfect hotel, in-room, and personal safes. Always remember some important points for hassle-free usage and smooth operation of Ozone Jade Black Safes and security of valuables. Always keep your manual safely for reference in future and invoice copy with warranty card to claim warranty of the product in case of any problem. Ozone Digital Safes for risk-free, assured safety of valuables.